Gold USD remained vulnerable due to geopolitical uncertainties. The safe haven nature of the yellow metal is clear as the weekly price breached the 2000 psychological level. The gold USD price dipped before reaching the 2000 psychological level, which is considered as a crucial resistance level. Meanwhile, the 14-day relative strength index shows a bullish overextension as it moved beyond the 70 level. Based on the weekly gold USD outlook, a bullish trend continuation is potent as long as the price trades above the 2000 level, which could increase the price towards the 2048 resistance level. On the bearish side, the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level is at 1960 level, which would be a significant support level. In that case, bearish daily close below this level is crucial before aiming for the 1935 level, where the 200-day EMA is located.